there, my name is Noreen Smith and I'm an independent creative memories advisor from Calgary, Alberta, Canada. Thanks very much for joining me today as I walk you through a layout that I created using the Shine Bright Autism Awareness theme pack. I love the theme packs because they contain everything that you need for just one or two, maybe even three layouts on a particular theme. In each pack you get 4 sheets of double-sided pattern paper, 1 sheet of coordinating cardstock, and 2 sticker strips. And I used those particular products along with the new puzzle punch to create this layout featuring my son Sam, who is on the autism spectrum. I was able to kind of create a couple of spots to show and tell about his journey. So I'm going to show you how I did that. Talk a little bit about how I used the puzzle punch, and I'm also going to show you how I created the heart opening in the background. Now, to create the heart opening, basically I folded one of the pieces of double-sided pattern paper in half, but as you can see in the photo, I didn't fold it very firmly. I did not crease it very firmly. Then I took a pencil and just drew the half outline of a heart, very much like when we were kids and we would fold a piece of paper in half and either draw a half a person or half a heart, a half a star. Then when you cut it out with your all-purpose scissors, you get a beautiful symmetrical heart. And you can see in the photo there that there's a little bit of a crease, but it's not a sharp crease. So it works out that I can unfold it, attach it to my background piece of the blue cardstock from the theme pack, and it's good to go. You don't even see the crease. All that was left was to mat 2 photos of my son and tuck them under the edge of the heart. I also wanted to show you that if you didn't want to leave the blue of your base paper showing, you could actually take the heart, turn it over, and put it back inside the frame that you've cut out, and it should fit perfectly. After I added my photos, I punched out several puzzle piece shapes from the remaining double-sided pattern papers. The puzzle piece punch is great. It stores flat, so just unlock it, and then you can see how easily it will punch. Slide it in. I like to turn it over and then just punch it down. The nice thing too is that this punch will be so versatile for many other different layouts. And imagine how cute it would be to actually create a little puzzle with the interlocking pieces. After I added my photos and all of my puzzle pieces around the edge of my heart, I wanted to create 2 journaling tags. This is quite a detailed story, and instead of taking up a lot of space on the layout, I chose to put them on tags that I could slide in behind the photos. To make the tags, I used our 3-in-1 scallop tool, and as the name suggests, you can actually create 1-inch, 2-inch, and 2.5-inch tags with it. Like the puzzle punch, it stores flat, so just unlock it, and then you can take whatever size paper you want, 1, 2, or 2.5. I'm using 2.5. Slide it all the way into the punch and punch. So you see that you get a great tag. I made 2 of them and then just added some white cardstock onto my tag so that I could easily write my journaling. I finished the layout off with some of the beautiful stickers that come in the theme pack. Always unique, totally intelligent, sometimes mysterious. That's definitely the way that we see our son Sam. And again, the story on my little journaling tags tells all about his journey with autism. I hope you give this layout a try, and whether you know and love someone with autism or not, it's a great, fun, cheerful layout that can be used for so many different themes, occasions, or to celebrate someone that you love. Thanks very much for joining me. Enjoy.